Alright, next order of business. This is a basically an adjustable piece that goes inside this can here that this guard sits on. And it's basically a secondary protection. If somebody gets the lid off, they can't fall in here. You just set it at a certain height, throw some screws in it. You just have a little stainless steel cap screw. Then the safety device. Wanted to show that safety device a little bit better. So the concrete lid is not on down there. So if you were to open this lid, somebody could possibly fall in. So this ring is adjustable, and then it screws in there with those self-tappers, stainless screws. And then once that's screwed in, that sits on top of it, and then it gets screwed in as well. So that's the safety lid, and then we'll put the real lid on top.